Today I'm going to talk about egg replacers. Some people are allergic to eggs and some people are vegan, so they don't use eggs in their cooking or their baking. And I have a whole bunch of things I have used, and so I'm going to share them with you. One thing I've used a lot is a tablespoon of chia seeds or a tablespoon of ground flax mixed with 3 tablespoons water and then rested for 15 minutes. And that will substitute for 1 egg. And it is good for muffins, cookies, pancakes, waffles, quick bread. Then we have a quarter or a half a banana mashed equals 1 egg, or a 1/4 cup pureed pumpkin or avocado, and that's good in cakes, brownies, and muffins. A 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce equals 1 egg, and that is also good in muffins, cakes, and cookies. 1/4 cup yogurt equals 1 egg for muffins, cakes, and cupcakes. And 3 tablespoons of nut butter equals 1 egg. It's just for brownies, pancakes, and cookies, and that's what I use in my black bean brownies. A 1/4 cup of carbonated water acts as a leavener, and it makes it light and airy, and it adds moisture, and that equals 1 egg. And it's for cakes, cupcakes, quick breads. And I've used a lot of time in making cupcakes. I've used 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon vinegar to replace 1 egg, and it has made my cupcakes rise quite well. And then as a binder or thickening agent, or like a pudding and stuff, you can use 2 tablespoons cornstarch or arrowroot flour or potato starch with 3 tablespoons of water, and that replaces 1 egg. Or if it's tapioca starch, you only use 1 tablespoon with 1 tablespoon of water to equal 1 egg. And that's what I have so far. If you know of any other egg replacers, I know there's pureed tofu, and I know for scrambled eggs it's crumbled tofu. There's a lot of different things, and if you know any, please put them in the comments so that other people can see and learn new replacements for eggs. I hope this was interesting to you. If it was, subscribe to my channel, press the like button, share, and I'll see you next time.